Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're learning why we shouldn't say must. Let's get started. Don't say must in conversational English. It's not used in natural conversational English. Not to express obligation. It sounds too formal. Must is used to express rules, regulations, and written instructions, but not in natural conversational English. So if you want to sound more natural, don't say must. So what do you say to express obligation? We say have to, need to, or supposed to. Example, I have to work today. I need to work today. I'm supposed to work today. These all are perfect ways to express obligation. So does that mean I can never say must? No, we use must, but it has a different meaning. We use must to express something that's obvious. If it's obvious, it's clear, you can use must. Example, this man is young, but he's marrying an old lady. Why is he going to marry an old lady? She must be rich. It's obvious, it's clear that she's rich. That's the reason he's marrying her. She must be rich. Let's practice. Why is he going to marry that old lady? That's right, she must be rich. We can also use must in conversational English to express something that's obvious in the past. To change must to the past, we use another auxiliary, have, must have. In the past, must have plus a participle. Example, do. In the past, did, participle done. He must have done it. It's obvious. Example, there's pee on the floor. I didn't do it. You didn't do it. The dog. It's obvious, it's clear, the dog must have done it. Must have, you can make a contraction. Must have, must have. Pronunciation, must have, must have. The dog must have done it. Another pronunciation of must have, sometimes people don't pronounce the v at the end. So you hear this, you hear musta, musta. Example, the dog must have done it. So you'll hear musta and must have. The dog must have done it. It's obvious. In the past, must have. Let's practice. There's pee on the floor. Who did it? That's right. The dog must have done it. So remember, don't use must when expressing obligation in spoken American English. To express obligation, use have to, need to, or supposed to. But you can use must in conversational English when you express something that's obvious. In the present, must. In the past, must have. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.